Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make text intro in Capcut like a GTA 5 City game. So what you need to do is first add the clip that you want to edit, and then here go to text and then just write your text. Okay, I'm going to just write like this, and then here you can change the font to how you like it, but I'm going to use this font price down that I downloaded in the phone to make it looks like a GTA game. And after that you can go to style and text and style the text to how you like it. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to add this styles right here, click on a check icon, adjust the size and also this position, and here I'm going to adjust the durations up to 5 seconds. And now you can go to animations and add animations that you want. So for the out, I'm going to find the glitch animations for the out animation, this one's here. Okay, now for the in, I'm going to add, let's start fade in. Now click on a check icon and then add the second text. So I'm going to click on add text again in here and then just write again the text. Okay, so this is the second text. I'm going to change the font. For example, in here I'm going to use this one, adjust the size, and I'm going to add some effects to the text. Okay, I'm going to just use this one. Now click on animations and add the same glitch animations on the out, this one. And for the in, I'm going to add also the fade in. Click on a check icon, adjust the durations to be the same with the first one, and here I'm going to make it like this. And that's it. So this will be the final result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.